So what I'm looking for when I'm hiring testers is people who can demonstrate an intellectual curiosity. Our business is a relatively young business, and there's a lot that you can learn through self-education and online and through meeting people and reading trades and all other sorts of good stuff. And I want people who are going to be looking at testing as a career. And so they have, the people that I see that are most successful are ones who have learned about their craft, who get involved in community events, who understand that testing isn't just about running through some scripts and just trying to find some bugs, that there's much more to it than that. And the ones that I see that are most successful are the ones who have that approach. And so depending on what role I'm looking for, we kind of categorize people into two things, ones who get it and ones who don't. And there's people who get it that maybe don't have experience to context-driven testing. Maybe they haven't done exploratory testing. Maybe they haven't been in an environment that's exposed them to some of the better ideas about how to approach the testing problem. But they get it, so I can help them get there. Then you get people who are just tied into their way of thinking, and they're so personally attached to their ideas that if they get challenged on that, then they're wrong, and they take that personally, and they're so tied into that they're just, it's too difficult for them to make the transition. So I tend not to bother with them. And there's probably a subspecies of that type of tester who's just I would call them like a process weenie. They just want to put everything into a great category and are just methodology driven and just tickety tick tick tick, and they're very difficult to get out. They've probably had QA in their title for too long and can't break out of that mind frame.